breakout set. It comes with the salicylic acid cleanser. Here for $13.99.
Funny that you here, cause I know this really ain't your thing. She said you got that right, and I call will arrive in 15. She said it's 12:35, but she still got work in the morning. I ain't trying to kill the vibe, you can see it in my face, I'm torn. Yeah, but wait, just like magic, they playing our song from way back when we fell in love. She put down her jacket and gave me her phone, said that I can't say, but just hold up. Moving through the crowd, almost dropped my drink, girl, we in LA, that shit ain't cheap. She said you ain't changed, one bit, put my hands on her hips and said just focus on me. Her body like a calypso, so going that back, I'ma leave, I'ma think so. Yeah, I love it when you get off it. I saw my hand at the back on your thighs when you get lost. First one she was hips so I already knew you were bad, but I act like I didn't know. Yeah, I know you went on the zip. There's a party in my bed, and I stand you against me. Deuces, I see you later, right there. I'm full of prayer, focus on me. I don't haters, baby. Don't do us make it crazy, maybe. We can soon.
Hey y'all, it's the next day and I'm on my way to get my nails done. My nails are like way overgrown, like it's been long overdue, but this nail tech that I've been going to, she is so good. My nails last so long when I go to her, so I've been keeping up, being consistent and going to her. I don't really like to switch my people unless it's 100% necessary. I got my hair done yesterday. I just had my hair pulled back in this little claw clip because I was at work. And let me know, is it just me? Like, I don't like being at work with my hair down. Like, if I'm at work and my hair is like straight or curly, I like to have it like pulled back in like a nice bun or ponytail or something, just pulled out of my face. Like, I don't like to give like bust down at work. I like to have it pulled back nice and classy for work. So yeah, I'm pulling up to the nail salon now, so I'm gonna check in with y'all later.
We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 car, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 car, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. Ooh, I should get it like that. Ass fast and pretty like that. Girl, you gon' need a worker for that. You gon' have a nigga working for that. 187, I'm working that. Looking back at it when you're throwing it back. You gon' be zaddy when I'm pulling your cash. Girl, you so nasty, put it up in your. Girl, take your time with it. All the time you need. I'm in no hurry. It's whatever, it's however you want it. Like a banana on you, oh how stunning. Stunning, yeah. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that.
Nails are secure. They're so cute. I've been loving the short nails recently. Well, within like the past year, I've been getting really short nails and I'm really loving it. I used to be a long nail girly, like long nails down, like especially like when I was in high school and even in college. Like I used to have super long nails, But as I gotten older, I just feel like it's something a little more like dainty about a short nail. So I've been all for the short nails and French tip. Usually I always get like a white French tip or a pink French tip, but I wanted to do something a little different for the fall time. So I'm really loving this color. And yeah, so I'm on my way back home. I've been up since like 6 a.m. this morning. I had to go to work and everything, and it's now 4:30, so I'm literally exhausted. The beltway is so backed up. I hate driving on the beltway during rush hour traffic because they do not be playing. And what do y'all think about my glasses? I love these glasses on me. I feel like they make me look super smart. These are the blue light glasses from Amazon, and they're so cute on me. Like, I love wearing these to work. I feel like I just look so like studious. So I'm gonna focus on this road, and I'll talk to y'all later when I get home. Hey y'all, so I just left the dealership. I had to bring my car in for some maintenance. I'm having trouble with my gear shift locking up, so whenever I shift my car into park, it locks up whenever trying to shift it into drive or reverse from park. So I literally been driving around with these little scissors because I don't know if y'all don't know, like your car has like a shift release thing, and so usually you stick like a pin or something into the shift release in order to unlock it. So I've literally been having to do that for my car for like a week, and so I brought it into Nissan to see if they could fix it today. They ended up telling me that one of my parts from my gear shift is faulty, so they would have to order that part and it won't come in until Tuesday, so they weren't able to fix it today. And I asked if they could provide me a loaner to like leave my car there until Tuesday when my part came in, but they wanted like $59 a day or something like that. So I was like, no, I'm not going to pay for a loaner car when I can still drive my car. I've had my car for about 6 years. This is the first time I'm actually having to have any kind of like real maintenance or anything done to it, aside from the occasional, you know, tire rotation, oil changes, you know, basic stuff like that. This is the first time I'm actually having something like faulty or something that needs to be like actually replaced on my car. And I feel really blessed to be able to have the money and the resources to take care of these things when they happen and not have it be like a huge blow to my finances because of like small inconveniences like this, because that's life. Like, things happen that's not necessarily in our plans, and I can only be thankful to have those blessings to be able to handle those things when they do happen and not have it be like a super like stressful time or to be super worried. I just don't like to blow things out of proportion or make something bigger than it needs to be. Like, it is what it is. It's unfortunate, but I'm taking care of it, and come, you know, Tuesday I'm bring my car in and everything is going to be good. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it to the chin and move on with the rest of my day. So I just pulled up to Hobby Lobby. I'm about to go in here and see what they have because I'm redoing my bedroom and I'm also revamping my closet. So I'm gonna just see if they have anything that I might be looking for. So let's go. So I'm in the fabric aisle because I have these two white chairs in my room and they're kind of dirty. So instead of replacing them, I'm thinking that I can just wrap them in fabric myself as like a little DIY situation. So I'm looking for like a boucle type of fabric because I really want like the boucle chairs, but they're pretty expensive and I'm not really trying to, I'm doing like a low budget revamp. So I'm trying to find like some boucle fabric or like any other fabric that I think would be cute in there, but I'm not really seeing anything that's like jumping out at me, and I don't see any boucle either. They do have like this fabric right here. This is kind of cute. It's like a off-white, or maybe like this kind of fabric. So I'm in the store and I saw this little knot pillow that I thought was cute, but I'm gonna show you this little trick that I do. So this is $25.99, right?
I'm sorry.
If you go on the Amazon app and take a picture, it will show you options that they have on Amazon. And as you can see, like they have one right here for $13.99. So I always do this whenever I'm in the store and I see something that I think is cute, because a lot of times Amazon has the same thing and they have more colors. So that's a little trick that I do. But I don't see nothing in here, y'all, so I'm about to get up out of here. Talk to y'all. Hey y'all, it's a few hours later, and I think the last time I talked to y'all was at Hobby Lobby. After that, I went to Marshall's and Sephora to shop the Sephora sale. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Sephora a little bit later. Right now I'm about to eat. I stopped at Carolina Kitchen. They just put a new location close to me, and Carolina Kitchen be busting, y'all. Like if y'all have a Carolina Kitchen near y'all, so good. So I ended up getting the stuffed salmon with yams and a side of mac and cheese and collard greens. And I also got this orange chicken. This is a part of their plant-based menu, because they do have a plant-based menu as well for all my vegetarians and pescatarians like me. This is the orange chicken. The last time I got the vegetarian menu, what did I get? The pepper steak. Last time I got something off the vegetarian menu was the pepper steak, and it was actually really good. So today they had the orange chicken. They also had like some meatballs, but this time they had the orange chicken, and they had another kind of chicken as well. So it seems like for the vegetarian menu they definitely switch it up. And also they put meat in their collard greens, but they have collard greens on the vegetarian side without any meat. The same thing with the mac and cheese. I'm assuming that the vegetarian mac and cheese is the dairy-free mac and cheese. I just got the regular. I should have got the dairy-free because I'm on a diet right now. But I've been doing really good with my diet. I've been eating well all week for the past 2 weeks. And so I like to give myself little cheat meals here and there. If I'm really craving something or I really want something, I'm gonna go ahead and have it, because I've been doing really good with my diet. I don't really like to restrict myself too much, because that's how you mess up your diet. And also it makes it harder just for you to diet in general, because you're having all of these cravings and things that you want to eat and you want to taste, but you're trying to prevent yourself from having those things. And I feel like that's kind of counterproductive. So I'm about to change and eat my food, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all about what I got from Sephora. Hey y'all, I'm preparing for bed and I wanted to quickly show you guys what I got from the Sephora sale. So we're gonna start with the Inky List. I got the breakout set. It comes with the salicylic acid cleanser, which helps unclog your pores, the niacinamide serum, which helps reduce oils on your skin, and the succic acid, I think is how you pronounce it, treatment, which basically you put this on your blemishes and it helps them go away quickly. I have this on right now on a few of my blemishes on my face. I don't know if you can see. It's like a green substance. I always use the salicylic acid and the niacinamide in my skincare routine, but I wanted to add this acid treatment because I've been getting a lot of breakouts recently. So I want to see if this is going to help me remove my breakouts really quickly. So we're going to try that. I also got this retinol serum. I've heard retinol works wonders for your skin. I've never tried it, so this is going to be a first time try for me. Next, I got the Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant Set. I've been using this BHA for a little while now and it's definitely transformed my skin. It unclogs my pores and it's starting to even out my skin tone. And so they said to also add the AHA because they work really well together. So this is going to be my first time trying this one. I'll let you know how I feel about it. Lastly, for skincare, I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel. This is a 2-step AHA BHA peel. I used to use this a long time ago, but I stopped buying it because it's just super expensive. But anytime that there's like a little sale going on, I like to stock up on these. I got the 5-step treatment and I really like to use these when my skin needs a little reset. But this is a daily peel and you can use this every day. Next, I got the Hourglass Veil Primer. This is the minimal primer. It has SPF in it and it also is really good underneath my makeup. I used this when I did my Look Like a Filter makeup video and every time I use this, my makeup application looks chef's kiss. So yeah, I had to restock on this. I got a new beauty blender. As we know, sponges can hold a lot of bacteria, so I don't like to use the same beauty blender for too long. Even though I wash them, I just like to go ahead and replace it. And lastly, I got the Fenty Hella Thick mascara. I heard a lot of good things about this mascara and I just ran out of my last one, so I thought that I would try this one. So that's all I got from Sephora and I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.